here
I'm so
for
sorry.
those who purchase Marvel items. They are at the retail area.
And of course, I would like to, invite the rest of the people who are still around, who aren't here yet. You still have a chance to catch Marvel Operation Green. All you have to do is to buy some Marvel items here, and you may be able to join this slew of people who are fun-loving and who want to complete their Halloween celebration here at the SM North.
Of course, if you missed the first show, now we're inviting you to join our final show here at SM City North EDSA. And just to recap, Jasper, we visited a lot of SM malls for the past few days.
Yes, around
just
the
like
globe.
last Saturday, we went to
SM Makati, and on Sunday last week.
Sunday, I was at SM Clark.
How about on Tuesday?
Tuesday, we were at SM Bacoor.
How about Wednesday?
We were at SM Dasmariñas.
Thursday?
We were at SM Pampanga.
Yesterday we were at
SM Mall of Asia. And
today,
today,
our last SM Mall visited is
SM City North EDSA.
And
Before anything else, can we give everyone a big round of applause? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili. Because we're all here and we'll be seeing our favorite Marvel superheroes
That is
in
right.
a while.
of course, you will be seeing Spider-Man, Iron Man, Wolverine,
And Green Goblin. But before that, we have to discuss Siyempre Jasper, the main objective on why our superheroes are here in SM City North.
That's right. As you can see, it's Marvel Operation Green. Is there a word that I think you're in this afternoon? That is, we will talk about the environment, and our superheroes will help us figure how we can protect it better.
Yes, and because of that, I will be getting some volunteers and make sure kayo po ay makakapagbigay ng special tips on how we could take good care of our environment.
Yes, and you'll start with someone in.
Someone here, the little Spidey, may ask for your name, please. Anong
What's
pangalan
your
mo?
name? Para hindi siya ayun.
Okay, since
Justin.
ikaw, tayo ka dito, pwede ba kitang invite dito?
Yes, with all the muscles here. Mamas pala.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, ano ang pwede mong may advice sa yung mga fellow kids on how we can take good care of our environment?
Ano kaya?
Huwag magtapon ng basura.
Very good, palakpakan naman po natin.
Very well said.
Huwag magtapon ng basura. Actually, pwede naman tayo magtapon ng basura. But we
Mahirap
have to
naman
make
yun.
sure na itatapon natin siya
Tama.
sa tama. Saan ba ang tamang tapunan?
Saan nga ba? Basurahan. Tama ba ako, Gray?
Sa basurahan.
Ayan.
And now I have a second question. If I have a candy wrapper with me, saan ko ito itatapon? Sa non-biodegradable or biodegradable? Thank you very much, sweetie.
Thank you. Okay.
Can we ask another volunteer from the back?
Biodegradable or non-biodegradable. For everyone's information, we say biodegradable, ito yung mga nabubulok.
Yes, and
And we say non-biodegradable, ito yung mga hindi nabubulok. So, kapag meron kang candy wrapper, saan itatapon ito?
sa nabubulok o di nabubulok?
Di nabulok.
Di nabubulok! Very good!
Natin.
Ang tatalino ng mga bata rito sa
I
SM
know.
City North
You
EDSA.
can tell.
Manang-mana sa'yo.
Siyempre.
I know, yes.
And
And hindi lang matatalino ang mga bata na nandito. They are also very creative.
That is right.
And now, we will be calling on some friends, some kids here, kung sino yung mga meron ng color, and we will be awarding them with special prizes.
Yeah, gusto ko kanina nakita natin they were, just stickering around there, sa activity area natin. Nagko-color sila. At syempre yung best coloring skill. May prize yan.
Yes.
Ito na.
If your name is called, please go here in front, and we will be awarding you with some prizes.
Okay.
So, may I call on Lay?
Where is Lay?
Lay?
Ayan.
Are you here?
Where's
Sa'yo
Lay?
ba to? Huwag niyo aangkinin ang hindi niyo artwork.
One of our
Make
lessons
sure
for
na-
this afternoon.
Yes.
Hold on,
Lay, where are
ladies.
you? Are you here?
Okay.
Next up, we have Bea.
Come here. Bea. Ayan, Bea. Oh, wait, come here. Just stay
Come
here.
on, Rafi.
Actually, you go up the stage, Bea.
He's submitting his own artwork. Wow. Next, we have Rafi. Where are you? Wow.
Rafi.
Ano tong costume mo? Kunwari hindi alam ni Ate Cream. Ano to? Dito ka. Halika dito.
Someone from the Holocaust is here.
Wow. Napaka-fantastic and marvelous.
Transformers. Oh, it's Bumblebee. Oh wait, and who else?
Freddy. Where's Freddy?
Go up the stage. Ito.
And Maria Angelica. Okay,
Alright.
do it quickly, come on. Siyempre, excited na lahat ng mga taong makita ang ating mga paboritong Marvel superheroes.
Aha. Kaya naman.
Kaya naman ang mga-
Picture take now.
Ngumiti kayo at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga kids.
And of course, we are getting special prize from Marvel. So here you go. As you go down the stage,
Okay, pwede na po bumaba mga kids. Thank you very much. Great job.
premium items.
And now I think we are ready to invite 5 volunteers here on stage. Can we get them? Come on. Five kids.
5 kids.
Another
5 kids. Come on,
five.
raise your hands.
Four.
Okay. 1.
Three.
Come on, go to the stage. On the
2,
stage. 1. Let's see, go to the stage.
very good, mga alisto, mga bata. Very good.
Maniksi.
Ano bang gagawin natin, Kuya Jasper?
Actually, Ate Green, we know that our superheroes do some moves and that makes them super astig, diba? So ngayon, ang
Kuya
gagawin
Jasper,
natin
I think ikaw naman ang dapat gumaya
Oh,
sa ating
sige,
mga
bakit
superheroes.
hindi naman natin gayahin yan? Okay. Akin natin mga
Okay.
kids. Okay, okay.
Make sure na gayahin niyo si Kuya Jasper at the count of 3. Alright?
Okay.
Kuya Jasper, ang gagayahin niya ay ang inyong paboritong superhero na si Spider-Man. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, kayo naman. Turn niyo naman. At the
Okay.
count of 3.
At the count of
gayahin
three.
niyo si Kuya Jasper. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good.
Good
And because of
job.
that, you will be receiving prizes from Marvel.
Marvel.
Congratulations.
The Kuyas will help us in giving away the prizes. And of course, we know that you are all excited to see your favorite Marvel superheroes.
Okay, as not to keep you waiting, we are introducing our Marvel superheroes for the Marvel
Operation Green!
In other news, Osborne Corporation announced the 12